My mom asked me to make this apple pie for our family Christmas potluck dinner. And as you can see, she's in the background hating. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be preparing for you all apple pie, an American classic. My mom asked me to prepare this for our family Christmas potluck dinner. So if you all would like to see how I prepare this pie, join me and let's bake. We're going to combine 2 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter, take 2 egg yolks and combine 4 tablespoons of ice cold water. And take a fork and combine. So we're going to go ahead and add and mix. Drain your lemon water. Roll out our dough. So this has been resting in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes. When you're rolling out your dough, you want to make it bigger than your pie pan. So here's my pie pan. So I'm just gonna not too bad. I took the leftover dough, rolled it out, and now as you can see I'm cutting pieces. So you just take your knife. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is going to be a unique apple pie. The liquid that we drained from the apples, we're going to pour it in a pan, and we're going to make a slurry with our cornstarch. And basically what a slurry is the cornstarch, and we add some cold liquid to it. So we're just going to add cold water. Take our egg wash. So this is 1 whole egg with about a tablespoon of water. I'm going to make an apple crisp. Sprinkle it evenly. There you have it. You can also add toasted walnuts, almonds, whatever type of nut you want. Kate will get the first piece of pie. Perfect slice. So go ahead and taste it. Let us know what you think of the pie, okay? Do you like it? Yay! Alright, so Katie loves the pie. So if a kid likes the pie, that means it's really good. Dad here with me. I'm going to give him a piece.
Thank you. Not everyone, but a lot of people. Yeah. Very good.
Thank you, Dad. So the next one I'm going to to do now is the apple crisp. Okay, and my sister Ruth. That's good.
It's not like turkey.
Thank you. Well, thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you anything else that you would like for me to bake or cook, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys. Bye. Merry Christmas from Flo and my hubby. Thank you all for your support, and we're just so blessed that you all have watched our videos, commented, and continue to be our new friends. So Merry Christmas to you all, and have a Happy New Year. Bye!
Look forward to my inspirational channel, Host X Life. Hey!
Amen!